Welcome back to another video. Welcome to the OG spot. And today I'm not working on my car today. I'm actually working on my brother's new car. It's an X5 M Sport Edition. The M Sport right here. Super nice. Yes sir, yes sir. I'm kind of jealous. With the caramel interior, which looks so nice. And the ambient lighting. Look at that. Beautiful. Well, what does one thing that everyone needs when they buy a new car? Especially a family car at that. Floor mats. I want to give a huge thank to Last Fit for providing me this for my brother. Huge shout out to them. Use my code right here. Help you save 15% off. Huge shout out to them. I cannot thank them enough. They're like the best sponsors in the world, and they've been, sorry about that, until I get close to the car it does that. Last Fit was one of my first sponsors on the channel. I cannot thank them enough. They've been a huge support for my channel, and I cannot thank them. And I really do really appreciate them for everything they do, because they supported me in the very beginning and still stick around until now. So huge shout out to them. They even helped with the giveaway for 1,000 subscribers whenever I had it. So I cannot thank them enough. I really cannot. And these were a blessing to install. I had WeatherTech floor mats on my car, so I kind of know how it is. And these, I will say, not because I'm sponsored, these are actually way better. There's some pros and cons, of course, with everything, but this is so much better. And I'll tell you why. First, the price. This is like half the price of WeatherTech floor mats. And the quality, and like I said, I prefer this over WeatherTech. So half off price and better quality, it's a win for me. Of course, there's always a little bit of cons, and it doesn't sit as high as WeatherTech. Like I noticed, like on some WeatherTech, it sit like really high to really hold up more stuff. But I don't really see that as like a huge red flag. I personally still like it a lot. And of course, this is always laser fit to fit the car perfectly, and I'll show you the fitment. It's literally perfect. Not only that, the design itself looks sick. One thing I really like these compared to WeatherTech is they're really flexible. So it's easy to install. Like you can see how flexible they are. I can just bend it and even hold everything in when dumping it out. I noticed WeatherTech isn't as flexible. Trying to remove it, stuff ends up falling down. So that kind of sucks. But I was removing it off the car, 0 crumbs. Like I'll show you right now too. Because the mats were like one pieces, so I had to like fold both sides in and then drag it out one side. And I'm very impressed that it left 0 crumbs. And then like I said, I haven't vacuumed them. You can see the marks on the bottom of the floor mats still on the carpet, and there's 0 crumbs. So my brother's supposed to have a baby soon, so I'm gonna be a first-time uncle. So these will be a lifesaver when that baby grows up. Drops everything on it. These are waterproof as well. It's amazing. Of course, with the flexibility of everything, like you see how flexible everything is, so it makes it really easy to install. Of course, when it comes into shipping, it's always gonna be flexed around, so you might want to leave it in the sun for like a day or so, or just let it out, let the heat like naturally form it to itself, and I promise you it'll fit fine. Like this, we let it sit when we first got it, and it's formed perfectly. And I'll show you the fitment. The fitment on the car is perfect as well. Obviously these are used now because when we first got it in, I actually injured my right arm pretty bad, so I wasn't able to practically use it. So I was like, you know what? I'll just film later on. I don't want to push anything, so we're in the video now. Like I said, the only con I could think about is like it's not sitting as high, but I don't see any crumbs and stuff like that or anything like that. He's been using this as like his family car for the most part, so people do sit in his back seat, and I don't see any crumbs passing this area. So overall, I have really no complaints. Like I said, that's the only 2 cons I can really think about, was the flexibility and it, having it being warped when it comes in, and it being not as thick or as tall as WeatherTech. Like here's another good example. Like this part right here, it's pretty thin, so obviously maybe if you get some water it could technically come out, but like I said, him and his wife been using it, no issues at all. So, and I showed you guys like the carpet looks perfect under it, so this stuff works. And he hasn't cleaned his car since he got it pretty much, so I know these mats work pretty good. Overall, again, thank you for Last Fit for sending these out. I've been dying to test out these floor mats from Last Fit. After I found out they did it, I'm like, I got to use them. but they don't offer it for my car, which sucks. That's why I had the diamond stitch one instead. So I'm happy that I can see them in person on my brother's car, and just know every time I sit in it, or if he takes me anywhere, that these are the best floor mats in the market at the current moment. Now, I don't understand these like clip marks, because I think this is supposed to be a clip under it, but he doesn't have the clips. I don't know if it's like supposed to be like a special feature or something, but he doesn't have any clips. Obviously you can't see, but he doesn't have any clips, so maybe it's for some models. I'm not too sure. I thought this model was pretty spec'd out, pretty high, so I'm not too sure. It's like before, I like just took these out, and like you can see, nothing. Barely even comes at all. This is the driver's seat, the most used spot ever, and it barely even comes. It's a little bit maybe like right here, where the carpet doesn't reach there, so how can you even use that? But the area that protects itself is protected. If you dare doubt me, buy it yourselves. Let me know down below how you like it. Use my code right here again, save 15% off, and just shout out to them. Like, they've been known in the LED industry for a while, but these floor mats are beyond my expectations. These are amazing. Like I said, this design on it, pretty cool. Like, attention to details, love it. All right, enough talking and Jay rambling about how good these mats are. Let me show you guys how easy it is to install. I'm gonna be attaching my reel that I made for them, the clips I got from them, of how easy it is to install, because I want to install it twice. It makes no sense, because I'm also filming a reel for showing this off on my Instagram. If you don't follow my Instagram right now, what are you doing? It's right here, link down below as well. So I'm gonna use the clips I got from the reel that I've been filming to show you how easy it is to install these. Thankfully, with these reel videos, I don't have to add my audio, so it's still gonna be like the YouTube video, but it'll be horizontal for the reel clips. So I'll be talking through it, but in the reel you won't hear me talk, so that's the best part about it. Love how at the moment you get close to it, it just opens and unlocks. That's it. That simple to install. This is when the flexibility comes really great in handy. Literally easy. And just like that, easy of install. Like I said, laser cut technology. Like, look at this. This is what amazed me. This is like amazing. Like, I don't know if you can see it. It goes under the center console. Like, how crazy is that? Like, what? I didn't even push it in. It just kind of sat its own like that. That's amazing. Look at that. Of course, right here, like I said, covers everything. Maybe I could have made it over here, but I don't know how. I don't even know if WeatherTech goes out that far, but amazing. Last fit, you killed it again. So, looking for any durable mat. Looking for any durable mat that's waterproof, weatherproof, ain't that, you know who to go to. Like, this thing is waterproof. Overall, let me know what you guys think. Best mat on the market, question mark? I think so. For the price, you ain't beating it. Thank you guys so much for watching again. Shout out to Last Fit, always taking care of me. Even taking care of my family. You know, family's always number one. Vin Diesel. So, shout out to them. I really do appreciate them. Comment down below if you would buy these mats. And if you do, buy them. Let me know how you guys think about it too. Thank you guys for watching. Short little video, fun to film, just happy to just see it in person. It's amazing. So, like I can't thank him enough. I keep saying it, but I really can't thank him enough. Alright, I'll see you on the next video. As always, much love. Thank you guys for the support and even making me keep doing YouTube videos, to have sponsors like this. This is amazing. I would never think I'd be in the position I am without you guys. So shout out to you. Alright. Much love. Later.
君の虜になってしまえばきっとこの夏は充